It has a picture of a, what is that? Is that maxi pad?
Yep. Tampon? No. That's your feminine hygiene stuff.
I don't know what that is. Hi, welcome back to Life with Carrie. Today I have the all-new baby alive, Lulu Achoo. So she is apparently sick and she does some sneezing. I think she has
COVID-19. What the? Who gets sick looking like that?
Oh my gosh, her face turned red.
They might as well just made the whole face red.
So she's an electronic doll. She has 50 different reactions. So we'll see exactly what she does when we'll take her out of the box. It says checkup time. So you could give her a checkup. Let's look at the back. It says, Achoo! What's wrong? And it says care for Lulu and all better. So it just says that she does different things. She has the sniffles. So I guess we gotta make her all better. So we're gonna go ahead, unbox her, and see if we can make Lulu feel better.
You like me? I'm pretty cool, huh? You got the sneezies? Why? Do you listen to my words? Go to sleep. I saw that you had this big red zit on your nose and forehead. You saw it too? Cool.
So we took her out of demo mode and we put her on. She's just kind of making some funny sounds. So she comes with this little bag. I don't know if it's in here yet. But
tampons,
accessories,
maxi pads. When she gets older.
What is it?
What is that? I got an emoji thing. Oh, there's a picture right here. Maybe it goes on that.
Oh, okay. So
she got excited when I knew that. She's yeah. Teach her about her body and bones.
I guess you go ahead and put that in there.
It's like her X-ray. It does. It's just you.
Yeah, very funny.
See, she's even laughing.
She's laughing at me. Oh, that's because there's two.
Yeah, see, because you're special, huh, Lulu Achoo?
Alright, so we'll go ahead. We'll try this again with one. There we go.
There, mommy Achoo.
Alright. Okay. So then, this little thing, it has a picture of a, what is that? Is that maxi pad?
Yep. Tampon? No. That's your feminine hygiene stuff.
I don't know what that is. You push it and it changes.
Alright, so there's a thermometer, apparently a maxi pad. Oh, it's random. So today, watch, here we go. Lulu Achoo, I'm gonna predict your day. Oh, you're hungry. You got to feed her, Mom.
Okay.
Nope, with a spoon.
Oh, she's taking it.
Okay, well, we're gonna predict your next round of business. So we're gonna push this button, release. Oh, hungry again with the spoon. Oh shoot, her boogers.
Oh.
She got boogers. Wipe her nose.
Well, I think I gotta take
Oh
the thing
man,
off
she
her
looked like ass Rudolph. Rudolph the red-nosed Achoo had a bloody nose. She looks fat. What the?
Oh, it read her temperature.
What is it?
It doesn't say anything.
Oh, we gotta check our heartbeat or something? There's a heartbeat.
Oh, here.
There's a sneezy. Well, that's kind of cool, but the nose thing's got to go, man. That's kind of really nerdy. I'm not buying that.
That's 'cause she's
If
not
you look through the camera,
stupid.
looking through the camera, she looks like Rudolph the fucking red-nosed reindeer.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. Sing it, Harper.
Yeah.
Very shiny.
Now the Crybabies had one that Crystal that.
You hold it. And
There you
so
go.
we gotta take this off her hand, I think, because you can't really.
Well, no, because she tries to do it herself.
No, she doesn't.
Yes, she does when she lifts her hand.
I'll leave it there. Well, that's kind of cool how it identifies that. And then we'll look at this. This is, I guess, her mood.
Oh, that's her menstruation cycle.
Hey!
That's her pills that she needs to remember to take every day.
And
See?
she needs a maxi pad.
Yep. It's the maxi pad that popped up. It's that time, Harper. See? Mom just kept talking.
Right? It was a maxi pad. It's not a thermometer. It's a maxi pad.
It is. Told you.
Oh my
They're
god.
teaching these kids
Yeah.
young.
So then I guess what happens if we comb her hair? Does she recognize that? I don't want to take out her buns because it's cute. I don't know if she could tell. It might have some kind of sensor in there that will identify it, but I do like her cute little buns, her little hairdo. I'm not really understanding the side bang with the little
That's the thing. She's kung fu.
she kung fu
Oriental
baby.
stuff. She
Okay.
said, don't touch my damn ass hair.
She looked cuter without this though. I don't understand what that's there
That's
for.
making her unique. Achoo. Kung fu her.
Alright, we'll see if she's got better. Can we make her better? She likes to do the boom boom. Oh. Lulu, poo poo.
Oh, well, you changing that.
She doesn't even come with a diaper.
Okay, well, you got plenty from those dolls right there. It'll work perfect. Uh-oh, she's sick again, Hearts.
No. Here.
Oh, no,
You
she
gotta
got
get rid of
COVID.
tissue.
Hello?
Well,
Achoo. Good. Oh, good
she did a
job.
good
You listen to
job. Yeah.
me. Yeah. Okay, Mom could. It's not a bloody nose. She was just blowing her nose.
Okay. Can you give her some medicine?
Now, what are you gonna do about that big glowing forehead, or?
There. We just had her give her
See?
the medicine and she's all better.
Okay.
Okay, you need a drink? Baby Alives have come a long way because I remember when I was a child, I think it was like 1990 when they came out, and I
Still a child.
begged my mom to get me one. And I tell her, I said all the time, I want a Baby Alive, I want a Baby Alive. So I finally got Baby Alive, but it was nowhere as near as advanced as this one. This one, I mean, she does so much. But the one I had back then, it just like, she talked and you fed her the baby food and then it went through her stomach and you had to change her and everything. But still really cute, but this one's adorable because she doesn't make a mess or anything. Everything's interactive. You don't have to worry about changing her. You don't have to worry about that messy food. So, I mean, any kid would love her. I think she's so cute. But, yeah, definitely cool. So, I will put the product link in the video description below. So, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye from Lulu.
Hey,
and me.
Lulu. When there's a dumb commenter, what's gonna happen to you? Show us what happens. Like the Incredible Hulk turns green. Are you gonna get mad? Ooh, that's right. When they leave those dumb comments, it makes you angry, huh? Man, some people need their hands held. But that's okay, baby girl. I love you.
I love you too, Daddy.
They just don't understand. They don't get it. Should we call you reborn too? Huh? Because you reborn. You're not like the original Baby Alive. You've been reborn. Robotic reborn. That's what we're going to label this. The newest robotic reborn. This is not a reborn doll. Dumbass folks.
She's kind of like a Lovabella. I don't know if you guys ever had a Lovabella, but that's what she reminds me of.
That's right.
But just a Baby Alive version of a Lovabella doll.
When people make negative comments, it makes you sneeze, huh? It's like an allergy. Yep.
And who was that other doll that we had, the one that got sick? The Kindy Kids. The Kindy Kids has a version of a sick doll too, so this is kind of similar to that as well. I think her name was Rainbow Kate.